Well, here's the Griso. Still pretty dirty. Haven't washed it for a while. Haven't fully unpacked it for a little while either. What I need to do is in behind here and back behind this cover and a little bit further back in, take another cover off. There is the timing chain and a tensioner. It's still only 200,000 Ks. It's a job I need to do. I'm just trying to figure out which tensioner to get. Finally figured that out. Now I just need to source it. The tensioner will probably have to come from overseas, and the chain most likely as well. We'll get that sorted. I've been told I can leave the engine in the bike to do the job. I'm confident I can do it and be fine, but I just need to get it done. As far as other jobs I need to do on this thing, we've got the forks need a clean, but they also need the fluid changed as well. Easy enough to do. Yeah, I was going to go for a ride today because yesterday got firewood. This is my other black cat. She's clean. You ain't covered in no mud, are you? Eh? I might give it a wash, eh? That would be a really cool thing to do. Well, so that's that. It's clean. It's not perfectly clean. Look at that. See? Nothing just like that. I haven't cleaned it perfectly. It was that dirty, eh? It needs a double clean. But anyway, I don't know if I'll get to go for a ride today. I probably won't. But, you know, I think a little bit of care to the bike is always a good thing, eh? But yesterday the work done to cut some wood was really awesome. And, yeah, sometimes getting out for a ride has to give, so I have to be happy about that. Awesome as, and look at that, the sun in the sky. It is up there, it's going to be down there very soon. It is what it is. Maybe I'll get it for a ride for Sunday. Not sure, not convinced that I will, but anyway. I've clocked over 190,000 Ks on this now, which is awesome. Yeah, wonder what the rest of this year's going to bring. There's a few things going on or not going on. There's the Moto Guzzi Rally or Tatley Rapid Rally in October, Labour weekend, which is a public holiday weekend, a 3-day weekend. And in the past, well, still is, the Grandma Street Races, and I've frequented there a few times. And I've been to one Rally Tappet Rally in Reefton, and I just stayed there for the Friday night and had to go racing on the Saturday, Sunday. So anyway, this year I'm not racing, so might as well look at going on down there. Just got to register and do the business that needs to be done, accommodations and that sort of thing, but we'll get there eventually, no panic. The big question is, it hasn't been on the battery tender for, well, since I come back from the Sundown Solstice TT with the planes clip. So let's just see if we'll have, I know we'll have power. How much power? We've got, it's 10 degrees out today. It's not warm, but it's about 3 o'clock. And it's got 12 volts. I don't think it'll start, we'll get the click. Yeah, let's start. So going for a ride today would have been a little bit, I would have been crash starting it. That's what I would have done. I would have crash started it. Get enough run up down this driveway here. Away you go. I'm not sure it sounds quite like that. Didn't need much of a charge. Only was on there for about a few minutes, but the voltage just isn't down enough to you know, make it not stop, not make it not start. Yeah, it could be that the battery's going out. I've had it for a few years now, so it's gone pretty well. Anyway, we'll shut it down, let it finish charging up properly. Thanks for watching.